Hello everyone. Warm weather in the afternoons, keeping things balmy over northern South Africa for the meantime, while wintry weather is settling in over the Western Cape with cold fronts moving through, and along with that, rough seas are expected on Saturday along the western and south coasts of the country. Here we see on our satellite loop that the clear and dry weather has continued for much of the country overnight, and frosty conditions on the other hand did develop over some parts of the Eastern Cape where temperatures dipped just below freezing. A couple of cold fronts are approaching our western coastline once again. That's already pushing in cloud cover for many areas, particularly over the Western Cape. For the remainder of today, we're expecting the sunshine and warm weather to continue in the north. Another near perfect day for the high veld. Dry and gusty over the western interior ahead of the next cold front, which makes landfall this evening over the southwestern parts when rain will also settle in particular for the Western Cape. Looking ahead to tomorrow, cloudy, cold and wet over the southwestern corner. Cloud cover also pushing into parts of the northern and eastern Cape, although those areas should remain dry. Sunny, dry and warm weather expected in the north. A lovely start to the weekend in Gauteng. For today, we're expecting it to be dry once again for almost all of the country, but by tonight, rain will be pushing in over the western coastline, in particular for the peninsula and the mountainous areas slightly further inland. And we will see the rain pushing even further into the interior overnight. The South African Weather Service has issued a warning for a high fire danger affecting parts of the northern and eastern Cape, where we've seen those dry and gusty conditions are expected, as well as around Beaufort West in the Western Cape, where runaway fires may develop today. Our winds for this afternoon indicating that area will see wind speeds between 30 and 40 kilometers per hour, general northwesterly flow in the area, and similar down in the southwest coastline, fresh to strong northwesters ahead of the cold front. It's going to be a warm to hot day in the Eastern Cape thanks to a bit of a bergwind effect in the area. This allows for Port Elizabeth to get to 26 degrees. Warm in KwaZulu-Natal, a hot day for the low veld once again. A lovely afternoon in Gauteng with temperatures in the mid-20s, but much cooler down in the southwestern parts, Cape Town reaching a high of only 18. Overnight temperatures are expected to remain above freezing for almost all of the country. Getting close though for Bloemfontein and Bethlehem at 2 degrees, 16 for Durban and Richards Bay, double digits expected along the south coast. George drops down to 10. Let's take a look at Saturday afternoon, and we're expecting a sunny, dry and warm day in the north of the country. Pretoria and Mahikeng both get to 27. And on Sunday, we're expecting rainy weather to spread along the southern and east coasts of the country, reaching Durban in the evening, but still warm in the afternoon with a high of 26 degrees.